done cutting grasses. And this is the machine my husband use. Now petrol is finished, so that's why after cutting must be washed because too much dirty there, no? If not wash this one, then yeah, must be after using this machine must be clean and wash. So ito natapos na. Ha? Ayan. Tapos na, oh. Ayan. Because Ramadan is Eid is coming, sorry. I think on April 10, there is already Eid, inshallah. So how many days more? Today is 24 days of Ramadan. So 5 days or 6 days left. Then there is already Eid. And today is April 4 and today is Thursday. And time check is 1 p.m. now because there is already azan for Suhar. Ayan. Ito nakat na, alhamdulillah. Kasi every Eid dito every year dapat malinis yung paligid, surroundings. Ayan, dito tapos na. Walang nakatira dito. Ito na yung selling na bago last month na Phoenix. Ayan, dito tapos na. Marami din pala kahoy dito. Ayan, mga kapitbahay namin. Yan pala, ito yung yung mga flowers na yan, peach. Ito naman yung apricots. Ayan, may mga leaves na itong apricots. Aywan ko lang kung maraming bunga ngayon kasi last year or the other years ang daming bunga nito. Kaya lang siguro konti lang ang bunga. Nito kasi konti lang yung flowers. Ayan. Ito yung peach din. Dito ako sa baba. Kabababa ko lang kasi umakyat si Fahad kaya sabi ko I will go there down for few minutes. Yun yung bahay namin pero balik na din ako sa taas. What they are doing there? What they are doing there, Dar? Ha? Ah. Tinda ba? Ayan sila kayo. Ay, too much grass there attached with this machine. So must be clean. So ayan ito yung isang puno ng apricot. No more by this time maybe Dar, apricot. Wala yatang maibunga ngayon kasi last year too much. Ang grabe, ang daming bunga na huhulog, na bubulok. So bali nagtampo siguro. Kaya wala nang maibunga ngayon. Ayan, di mo makita yung mga bunga. Wala siguro, kunti lang. Nice weather today, no? Ngayon? Maganda yung weather kasi malamig-lamig. And then, mahangin. So, malamig ang panahon. This apple Dar, maybe there is also by this year. Inshallah. Ito yung apple wala pang mga leaves. Ayan. Ito yung puno ng figs. Ayan, oh. May mga ano na din. Coming leaves na. Kasi ano na, spring and summer. So, ano, yung may mga dahon na itong mga ano na kalbo. So, I go now up because Father said he will come now down. Yun yung bahay namin. Mga puno. Ha? 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 This one here no need dar eh. This one here.
This is flower, not too much flower, looking nice.
Eh?
I can cut anytime. Yeah.
The eh?
How looking?
Yeah, this is very nice flowers.
My bee, no bee.
Hmm? Bee, because this kind of flower they are eating also, bees. That's why. This kind of flowers is coming during spring season. And I don't know what is this name of flower. This is wildflower. Ah?
Three.
Ah. Yeah, in language, in Pari, they call Siri. 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 And this one, I think this leaves you can eat also. This one also we can cook also. Even this is wild leaves. I cook also before this kind of leaves. It's like methi darna, similar to fenugreek leaves. But this is wild leaves and wild flowers. But we can eat also this one, this kind of leaves. But flowers no. Flowers, bees are eating these flowers. Done cutting grasses. After cutting, must be clean, must be washed and clean. So ayan, it's very clean now. O ayan ito, done cutting na ito lahat. Kasi Eid is coming, Eid is approaching, that's why must be we have to cut this one. So done cutting na. Dito na side, dito sa aking binan sa baba. Ayan, hanggang doon. Ayan doon. Ayan. Ayan, so malinis na. Ayan. So it's okay now, Darna. It's okay now, it's clean now.